if you have a firm grasp on what to do with exponents when you are multiplying bases, today dividing bases will be very easy. So let's take this example of 6 cubed divided by 6 to the 5th. We know from yesterday's video 6 cubed is 216. And 6 to the 5th is 7,776. And when we divide those out, we will get 0.027 repeated as a decimal. And then when I math frac that, it will give us 1/36 as a fraction. Now, hopefully you're thinking that it would make sense that if I added exponents when I was multiplying, now when I am dividing with the same base, I should be able to subtract the exponents. So let's check this. If I keep my base of 6 and do 3 minus 5, that should be -2. And here we are with our negative exponent rule. This will become 1 over 6 to the positive 2, which will make 1 over 6 squared is 36, and we get the same exact fraction. So this is our next law for our index card. X to the a divided by x to the b will be a base of x, and then our exponents can be subtracted, a minus b, the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. So flip your card over. We'll do a little bit of practice using this law and all the other laws, hopefully. So let's start with x to the 9th divided by x to the 4th. Bases are the same, so that will be x. And when I subtract the exponents, 9 minus 4 makes 5. Now the next fraction here, x to the 9th divided by y to the 4th, we cannot subtract the exponents because the bases are different, so that will remain x to the 9th over y to the 4th. Next example, we've got a couple of bases. We've got x's and y's, so we're going to divide them each separately. We're going to take the x's and divide, so we already did. X to the 9th divided by x to the 4th is x to the 5th. And for the y's, when we go to subtract here, 5 take away 7 will be -2. And now we're not going to leave this with the negative exponent in there. We're going to get rid of that. So this will become x to the 5th times 1 over y to the positive 2. And then multiplying those two fractions together, that'll give me x to the 5th over y squared. And that will be my answer. And now, last one for today. Here we have some coefficients. We're going to divide the coefficients. So 6 divided by 3 will make 2. And now my bases that are the x's, I've got an x to the 8th and an x to the 1st. So when I subtract 8 and 1, I will get 7. And on my y's here, we're going to have to be real careful with our subtracting. Base of y, and then our exponents, -3 minus -7, will actually become -3 plus +7, which will make y to the 4th.